Thus, it is to be seen that the appellant was aware of the pendency of the suit and the status quo order. As per the conveyance deed, the appellant has not yet become owner of the disputed portion, that is the annex. This may be the reason why the appellant made no application to be impleaded as a party to the suit. It has been held by this court in the case of Dhurandhar Prasad Singh versus Jayaprakash University and others, reported in JT 2001 SC 578, that Order 22 Rule 10 provides for cases of assignment, creation, and devaluation of interest during the pendency of the suit. It is held that the trial of a suit cannot be brought to an end merely because the interest of a party in the subject matter of suit is devolved upon another during its pendency. It is held that such a suit may be continued with the leave of the court by or against the person upon whom such interest has devolved. But if no such step is taken, the suit may be continued with the original party, and the person upon whom the interest has devolved will be bound by the decree. Thus, the appellant would continue to be bound by the decree or order which has been passed in the suit, particularly when she had knowledge of the proceedings. The interim application was finally disposed of on 2nd February 1995. By this order, it was held that the question whether the will dated 28th August 1984 was genuine or not was a question which had to be decided at the final hearing of the suit. It was held that late Dinanath Ahluwalia was in a settled position of the annex and that he could not be thrown out without due process of law. The court granted an injunction against being disposed except by due process of law. The court also injuncted respondents 7 to 9 from dealing with or dispossessing of the annex. The court, however, held that late Dinanath Ahluwalia was only in possession of the annex and the land underneath the annex and not the open space in front of and adjacent to the annex. The court therefore held that late Dinanath Ahluwalia was not entitled to any injunction restraining respondents 7 to 9 from dispossessing him from the open space in front of and adjacent to the annex. No appeal was filed against this order either by respondents 7 to 9 or by the appellant herein. Late Dinanath Ahluwalia filed an appeal against the portion of the order which refused an injunction in respect of the open space in front of and adjacent of the annex. During the pendency of the appeal, late Dinanath Ahluwalia expired. Respondents 1 to 6 have been brought on record as the legal heirs of the said late Dinanath Ahluwalia. In the appeal, a complaint was also made that respondents 7 to 9 had constructed a wall in such a manner that the right of ingress and egress to the annex from the main gate and even to the water coolers fixed in the annex was blocked. Stop.